So this is a message from Mr. NAWFABZ. I'm going to try and do this in a one take. If you remember my email from a year ago, well, it's a bit more than a year ago, it's like 14 months. I think you challenged me with getting a video or a picture of the underneath of the car. I've kind of failed miserably because I don't know anybody with a ramp. So what I've just done now is just on the drive, I've literally jacked the car up to within an inch of its life. And I'm going to literally take the camera, show you the underneath. It's pretty much straight piped with a few sort of crude angles and stuff like that, but you'll see that in a minute. And hopefully you can help me out because, well, yeah, I don't know anybody else, to be fair, who's got the skills to be able to do this. So fingers crossed you are willing to take on this project. I'll give it a quick cold start as well. I'll get it on the floor, give it a cold start, and you can see what I mean about the noise. It sounds wicked, but it's a ball ache to live with. So yeah, especially when the revs get when the rev gets a bit higher and stuff. Put your foot down, motorway sort of stuff. And like I said on the email, I'm just like, while I love it, I'm just feared that it'll just take one police officer who does everything by the law to literally frown upon it, and I'll get the car seized, I'll get points on my license, and it just ain't worth it. I want to keep the car, I want to enjoy it. So what I want is to achieve that kind of like V8 sort of burble, but something that's just not going to draw too much attention to me. I like some attention, you know. The kids love the attention as well. They love the noise. They don't want me to fix the exhaust, but it's literally like, it's just straight pipe straight to the back. Anyway, I'll stop yakking, I'll show you. Okay, so I don't know how good this is going to be and how much you're going to be able to tell from this, but we've got the standard V8 sort of, well, the standard cat and header is still attached, which is great, and the standard connector. This part is the original pipe up until there. Let's try and get some better angles for you. So it kind of looks big Y shape, which is kind of standard for these. And then as we go down, I think we would normally have a silencer around here somewhere, or it might be further back. There's no X pipe, there's no crossover, which I probably would like some sort of like X pipe in there or something, or I will take your advice on that for what sounds good. So moving further back, again, straight pipe all the way through. So we've got some crude welds right there, which split either side of the diff. And then one goes off that way. Again, there's not many anchor points on this car, which goes straight out the back. It just goes straight around the wheel well. I'm trying to not capture too many shadows from where I keep placing the light, so just bear with me. So we've got from the front straight to the back and straight out, and it's the same on the other side if I can reach. This is a little bit, this one at least has got a couple of bends and stuff in it. This is just literal straight pipe, just welded together, and that also goes out the back, which then, so from the rear of the car, so there's the diff, comes straight back, straight out to some tips. I quite like these tips, they're quite M5 sort of style, but I don't know if you can really see. If we kind of stand above it, you can sort of see that they're slightly crooked. Got one that's tucking and one that ain't, so it just needs like this side just sort of pushing in a little bit and straightening up, which I know you can do because I've seen you do it on other videos. And that's essentially it. Which, don't get me wrong, I love a bit of noise, but here's a cold start for you. is a great car, you know what I mean? I've done loads of work to it. I just need that bit of help. I'm crap at anything that looks like welding. I've never done anything like that before, but to be fair, looking at it, I've considered buying just centre pipes, just putting some centre pipes in it, you know, on that long straight. I've considered just putting centre pipes just on there, just to dull that noise down a little bit. That might be all that's required, but if I could get a complete stainless steel system, you know what I mean, well, from the headers or from the manifolds back, and use the same tips, and some way of putting maybe some sort of X pipe in there, maybe the centre silencers or something, or whatever you think, you know, I'll go with that. So yes, please help, please.